When it comes to doing whatever you can to help keep your commercial building safe, this is something that involves more than simply installing a security system. It also includes performing tasks involving both troubleshooting and preventative maintenance. Even though you may have a security system, that doesn't always mean that it will work properly all the time. Perhaps one of the most important commercial security maintenance tasks is to physically inspect and clean all of your devices. When you inspect your security system, always make sure that you check for any and all equipment that may be faulty, as well as clear any environmental obstructions. Another important commercial security maintenance task is to test your security sensors. For example, your wireless door sensor could possibly lose all contact with your security panel, which is something that could prevent an alarm from triggering if a criminal attempts to illegally enter your business through that specific door. One other important commercial security maintenance task is to verify the placement of all of your cameras. If your business has surveillance cameras installed, you will need to take the time to ensure that each one is aligned correctly, as well as that they are producing both a clear recording and picture. In the event that you don't feel comfortable performing this type of work on your own, never hesitate in contacting our professionals at Dyezz Surveillance. For more information on our service plans and prices, contact us online at dyezz.com or call us at 800-370-2762.